Let's just get one out of the way. Bitcoin now about 14,000. How much of that are you going to buy next year, Dennis?
I'm going to buy none of it next year. I'm not selling any of it. I'm not buying any of it. I'm not trading any of it. It is nonsense. I'm a believer in the computer technology behind it, in the blockchain. But do I believe it all in Bitcoin? No, not even slightly. So I won't buy any, nor shall I sell any.
Which comes first, Bitcoin 5,000 or Bitcoin 25,000?
If I had to make the bet, Bitcoin 5,000 comes before Bitcoin 25,000. I don't think there's any question about that. But again, shall I be betting upon that on using my own money? No, I shall not.
Your favorite pick in the commodities world for 2018 is?
If I had to pick just one, give me the grains on balance. Give me wheat. We're producing less of it. We're planting quite a bit less. The cold weather that is now prevailing in the Midwest, you've left the hard red winter wheat crop without a real snow cover, which is what it needs. If I had to only bet on one commodity for the coming year, let me bet on wheat.
What about gas and oil?
Well, you've got the consequence right now of this very, very cold weather that has put natural gas prices up stratospherically in the course of the past week. They may continue, but in crude oil, anything above $60, $61 is extremely profitable for even the worst frackers in most of the oil-producing regions of the United States. So it's very difficult for me to be bullish of crude oil at these prices. You're going to get another run to the upside, though, in natural gas. Don't be surprised if we trade 5 cents, because some of these prices are from the Marcellus for overnight delivery are at 15 and 20 and 25 cents as panic is breaking out.
They're crazy. Meet the frackers. If you had to pick a metal, what would it be for 2018, and a metal to avoid?
If I had to pick one metal for 2018, I'd probably pick gold. If I could pick a second one, I'd probably pick copper on any correction. The spike that we've had in correction is probably a little too exaggerated. To avoid platinum. There's really no demand for it, given the fact that diesel fuel is going out the window. Gasoline fuel is the only fuel left for automobiles here in the United States and Europe. That means that we're going to have a greater demand for palladium. But if you're going to avoid one, avoid platinum.
Dennis, when we consider yield differentials between the U.S. and other developed markets, is it time for the dollar to rebound next year?
If I had to make a bet, Wilf, I'd rather bet bullishly of the dollar, but it depends upon which currency. I can be reasonably bullish of the dollar relative to the Japanese yen, but I can make the case, given the archly ill political news that has come out of Europe, and yet the euro continues to rally, not being terribly bearish of the euro. I think the euro wants to probably try to move higher. Maybe the trade for the next year is to be long of the euro, short of the Japanese yen, leave the dollar itself alone. If you're going to be bullish of any of the dollars, be bullish of the commodity-related dollars, the other dollars as I refer to them. Canada, New Zealand, Australia, they're strong.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.